Hey guys, how's it going? Well, wait a second. Something's off here. We need to fix this. Alrighty, that is much better. Well guys, as you know, spring is fastly approaching. Weather's getting warmer, and the other day I went ahead and switched over my kayak from my hunting setup to my fishing setup. And I figured, you know what, this is a great time for me to go ahead and show you guys how I set up my fish finder on my kayak. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out of the shed over there. Yeah, that shed right there. And take a look at it. Alrighty guys, so here we go. We got the H12 out, and we're gonna start up here, the front with the graph. Alright, so you can see I got my Lawrence graph mounted on the ram mount. That's the one that they make specifically for the Lawrence graph. Right there. And then I think, no, that's the actual ram. It's the ram T-track mount right there. Really handy little thing to get. Alright, so moving from that, we're going to follow the wires back because wire management is very important. So we'll get working on that here. As you guys can see, the wires run down through there, around. Get a flashlight on this. You can see I got them routed right through the little carabiners that come with the H12, and then it just goes right through that compartment there. So, moving on to the back. Wires, as you know, come from your head unit. They split off. One goes to the battery, one goes to the transducer. So let's go to the battery box. Alright guys, so I got my battery box mounted right here, connected to my milk crate. If you haven't seen how I installed my milk crate, go ahead and check out the video. There should be a little ribbon popping up right about now for it. And it's just bungeed to the milk crate. That's all it is. A little SAE connector right there. And that's it. And then the wires kind of just, yeah, I gotta do something about this. This is no good. To the transducer, right here. So I made a little PVC, basically a skeg for my kayak to mount my transducer on. And the way I got this set up is the transducer here is actually just right above the bottom edge of the kayak. So if any rocks come up or hit it, it's gonna hit the kayak first and hopefully clear that and not get tangled up. Alrighty guys, well that is about all that I've got for you in this one. I hope this helped you out somehow, maybe give you an idea of how to run a fish finder in your own kayak. If not, maybe, you know, it showed you what you don't want to do. I don't know. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos like this, just go ahead and check out this playlist right over here for more kayak videos. And don't forget to subscribe, little button right there. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.